Hey, you look like sad and tired like yesterday. Okay.
It's nothing. It's nothing too serious, but as you feeling very crying, I laugh. Happy. If we were late.
I'm understand how you feel. I have been tired. What were they said tonight?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Uh, the feel sound and it starting to get very boring for me.
Maybe you should think about taking a short rest to relax and clear your mind.
And that would like I great idea because I really need to rest and feel better.
What are we going for a nice day to rest? Tonight to forget about work.
That great suggestion. I would really like to eat something delicious and relax.
We could go to the restaurant we like, the food is always fantastic at first.
Uh, yes, I love that place because there is a food tasty and this place is quiet.
After lunch, how, no, how about watching food movies you like and have a good time?
And that's on perfect. That's on perfect. That's on perfect. I love comedy because they always uh, make us feel happy.
Or we could head a matches this weekend to help with experiences and body pain.
I I I really like that idea. Mistakes so relaxing. They always help me feel better.
You should also make sure to get enough sleep every night so you don't feel so tired.
Uh, yes, you are. Yes, you right. I have been sleeping um, very 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 tasty. No, very late of making up to up to up to early every day.
If you try the night with coffee in the afternoon or at night, you will sleep much better.
Um, I didn't I didn't think about think about I didn't think about I try will I want to drink less the coffee. I drink less coffee in the in English.
Don't expect to feel better. Relax, but because it's take a light time to relax again. Don't expect to feel better very fast because it takes a light time to relax again.
Yes.
Relax again.
Yes.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand.
I will.
I yes, I understand. I will.
I would like to be
I would like to be
patient
patient.
and take care of myself.
I think it's
Take care
take care
of myself
of myself
more.
more.
Right now I have because I use
congratulations, that wonderful news. I really happy for you.
Thank you so much. Being ready with that goal that can help me maybe or back in place.
Yes, no, you are right. I will try it. I will try it. Think more about the odds. My life.
Let's go tonight and enjoy letters and movies with your biggest adventure.
Yes, I would. Yes, I would like to perfect plane to relaxing and have fun. Let's do it.